Righto, good morning. My next project is this vapor machine. The name is Wasp. There's a bunch of 4-in-1 flavors. There's a little monkey there. Let's look here. A watermelon ice, a strawberry kiwi, raspberry watermelon, and lemon lime. But it has a 100,000 puffs. What's also nice of this thing is you pull up this suction and then you twist it. Then there's 4 different types of chambers inside, obviously 4 elements. And there is the air intake and your USB charger. Now let's see how this thing looks inside. When I open it, so you just pull this back out and there's your lithium battery. It is a 16350 type, 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp hours. Okay, now let's just get a screwdriver and just try to get this thing off here. Just in a clean screwdriver. Always use it for glue and then it sits in the front there. And obviously here's your USB charger and your display. Let's just quickly make a vacuum here. Let's put this light off and then let's cause a vacuum here and then we see how the display looks. You can see there's how many powers left and then your volume. I'm not sure if each one gives its own. Let's check. Since it says there, let's move it one on and see. Oh yeah, it says A, B. See, there's the channel here also there. That's very interesting. Let's switch it off here. Okay, let's just try to open this. Just hook it in here. There's the clips. This thing comes out. Look at this. There's the 4 gold pins, obviously. There's your 4 elements. Just take this thing off. Look how nice this looks. So rubber with a there's a paper that sucks up all the excess. So this one of these things must be 25,000 puffs. If they have 100,000, so different colors. It's in the factory how they fill it, chica. And let's just open one of these things and see if you see the element in there. See, there's your element. And so I guess if you want to fill it, you can see inside here. You may just pull off I would say pull off the bottom. Is relatively easy. You grab it and pull it, and it will be difficult to fill it through here. And then you just put your juice in here. Maybe it will be enough for one time. And there's your other elements, all empty. And then inside here is plastic. Lot of let's just go and unscrew this thing here in the bottom. You can see the screw there. There's your rotator, and then that's it. There's a little spring inside there. A little spring. Okay, there's a funny monkey. There's all the spares. Let's just take all the stuff off. This one is a little bit more expensive, I guess, than the other ones because it has now all these things in. It looks like a tower, and this is take one of these things out, and this is how they kind of glue it in here. The element. Take the element out, and there's your element. And I think let's push this thing through here. See, this is how they manufacture it. Push it through. There's a little retainer, and then they open it, and there's your element. Let's widen the element. I must say this element looks, you can see the burn marks on there. This is where the juice burns into the element, and this is what gives you that burnt taste, I guess. Now where's your, let's undo this, the battery, like this and this, and then we can give the element some battery power. If you have a small wire, then you can't skin it. Then you take a flat nose and you hold it there, then you rip it off. Then it's quite easy. Okay, let's just put this two together, and then where's my element? There's the element. There's it. Okay, let's just put the light off, and you can see I'm gonna put this with my long nose. I can't see now, so like it. Let's just make this thing a little easier to control here. You hook it in there. There's it. It's like a torch. Let's skin this thing a little bit further, and then we can put the element in. Also, maybe some bend them all around. Now we can hook the element in here. Okay, now you can see come on. So there's broken, it burned off. So this is it. Okay, this is how the inside of this unit looks. It's very interesting always to me, like this is nice, all the electronics. And let's just open this bottom part, and then you can see if there's the vacuum devices. Just take this piece of figure off. There's no screw here. The thing is just clips. Clip this one away and clip this one away, and then we can kind of take through there. Okay, it's a rubber here. There's your 4 vacuum devices that switch on. If you pull here, then it activates. Gold plated, very nice, with a little chip and a charging board. Okay, this is my story of the Wasp 4-in-1 flavor smoke machine, and Oh, just be careful of the batteries. Rather get rid of it if you let it lie around. I don't know how safe these things is. If they short out somewhere, then they can heat up and then they can explode or put your house on fire. Okay, hope you enjoy this video. Till next time, cheers.